Good morning, grade 2. Are you all fine? Wow, that's great that you all are fine at your home. Today, chapter 10, Houses We Live In, we start our new topic of this chapter. The topic is a good house. The topic is a good house. We are going to learn about why we need a good house and what type of good house is it. A good house has many doors and windows to allow fresh air and sunlight to enter the rooms. See, when we make a house, we need to make it perfect in every part of manner. Whether the placing of the rooms, whether we are going to see it look so decent and nice, so we need to decorate it. We need everything in our house, whatever we need daily basis, we have to keep all the things in our house. As well as it is also a very important part that to make our house a good house, we have to make lots of doors and windows in our house to make it freshy, airy, and to allow sunlight to come inside. Why we need all these things? See, natural air, or you can say natural sunlight, is very essential and very important for our life. For that, we have to make a lot of windows in our house. Ventilators we need doors to come in and get out of the house. For all these things, we need doors and windows. The sunlight kills germs. When we allow sunlight to get into our house every day, it kills the germs naturally. As you can see, COVID-19 is going on right now, and it is a virus. It is a virus. It cannot harm, sunlight cannot harm that kind of virus, but yes, small germs which we cannot see easily, the sunlight kills those kind of germs. When we allow sunlight to get into our house through the windows or doors, it keeps our house germ free. As well as when we open doors and windows every day, you all know this is a rainy season going on, and when rainy season is there, lot of windy weather is also there, बहुत हवाएं चलती हैं. So when we allow that fresh air to come inside the house, it makes our, you can say, daily basis ourselves very fresh. So we need sunlight as well as the air to enter to the house. Now we can learn how to make our house a good house by some points. To make our house a good house, we need to fit wire nettings on the doors and windows, and we need to place ventilators in our houses to allow fresh air to get in, and the warm, or you can say polluted air that already inside our house to get out of the house. We are going to read it and we are going to learn it. First of all, we are talking about wire netting. Why we need a wire netting on our doors and windows? See, a good house has wire nettings in the doors and windows to stop house flies and insect to come in. अगर हम हमारे doors और windows पे हम wire netting नहीं लगाएंगे, see we have a wooden door in our house, but उसके अलावा we need one more door in our house with the wire netting. So when we are going to open our that wooden doors, so that wire netting doors can stop house flies and insects to come in. For that, wire netting we can understand, as well as we need on windows as well, this wire netting. Secondly, we talk about ventilators. We have two kind of ventilators in our home. That is one of the windows that is very near to the ceilings, upside on the, or you can say windows के ऊपर होते हैं या doors के ऊपर होते हैं, that is a ventilator. Or in the bathroom and kitchen, we put a small fan, which is we call ventilators. और उनको भी हम put करते हैं, लगाते हैं to allow the fresh air get in and the warm and polluted air to get of the houses. A good house has ventilators to allow fresh air to come inside. Okay, a ventilator is an opening. It's an opening near to the ceiling. Ceiling means छत. Ceiling means छत. जो upper side पे हमारी छत होती है, उसके बिल्कुल पास में वेंटिलेटर्स बनाए जाते हैं. Warm and polluted air rises up. All the warm air and polluted air in our house, already present in our house, can rises up and goes out from the ventilators. It goes out from the ventilators. Fresh air come in from the windows to take its place. See, there is a process when we open our windows with having wire netting, allow the fresh air to come inside our houses, and the ventilators help all the warm and polluted air to get out of the house. With this process, we can make our house very refreshing or fresh. Or you can say the environment of the house is very soothing for all of us. So wire netting on our doors and windows is very important, as well as ventilators is a very much important point. See, if we don't give ventilators in our house, that window allows all the air come inside, but the warm air and the cold air mix together and it becomes a moist. वो घर के माहौल को थोड़ा कम अच्छा सूदिंग बनाएंगे. So we are not love that atmosphere. So we need ventilators also in our houses. It's very important for all of us. So we need wire nettings on our doors and windows and ventilators in our bathrooms, in our rooms, in our kitchen, to allow the warm and polluted air to get out of the house. I hope you all understand chapter number 10. By this, I wind up today's chapter here. With this, we complete our chapter number 10. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed it. And I am sharing you the, you can say, animated videos also to understand more about this chapter. Thank you.